Do you know? I found this out recently. I don't remember I mentioned it here that the whole thing of PE. I Do you realize that what it's really saying, like when it gives you the number 1, 2, 3, it's just saying how many years you'd have to wait to get back your money in terms of the profitability of the business and what you're buying it at. Yeah,
Wow,
I
I've
didn't I
never
didn't
thought
realize that.
about it
So
like that.
yes, so if you let's do the example. So
You have to draw out the whole
yeah,
fraction to show them price versus
so
EPS. But it
so if
makes sense. That's
yeah,
insane.
I'm gonna try to give I guess an easier example. So if you say someone was to buy Limitless, I'm not use Limitless. So someone is to buy
No, use Limitless. Use
no,
Limitless.
no, no,
Use.
I'm not gonna use Limitless. So someone wants to buy a candy company, right?
Okay.
So you say, yo, this candy company, everybody loves their candy, yo. Everybody loves their candy. And the candy company right now, in terms of, say this was, I guess, US dollars, the candy
Mm-hmm.
company right now is earning $1,000 profit a year, US. It's a
Okay.
small candy company, but it's profitable. And suppose I go to you and I'm like, yo, I want to buy your candy company, all of it, 100% of the company. And you're like, okay, what price you want to buy it at?
Mm-hmm.
And he's like, okay, I'll buy your company at 10,000 US, right? You're like, okay, I mean, I could get the 10,000 now and maybe I want to do this or I want to go to school or do this degree or buy this car, buy, what, maybe a down payment on something. And you're like, okay, I'll sell you my business that makes $1,000 in profit right now. I will sell you that business, $1,000 profit a year for 10,000. So if you do the maths, that
The
actually
entire
works out to a
business.
PE. Yeah, that
Mm-hmm.
works out to a PE of 10 times. Okay, it will take 10 years if it were to earn the same level of profitability because it's 1,000 US
Assuming
times
it's
10.
one share.
Yeah, but remember, you're buying the full business though, which is
Yeah.
100% of the business.
Yes.
Yeah. So if you buy, so it's easier when you think about it, like you're buying the full business. I guess it's different because like when you're, I mean, at the end of the day, we're buying parts of a company, but I just found that interesting. I didn't like I know a lot of people probably knew this before, but I didn't. I just used to say, okay, generally low the value is good, high the value, but yeah, that's essentially what it's saying. So it's saying, okay, if you were to buy the business at 100% of the business, I don't know if you want me. Maybe I can show the math on it
Yeah.
on
But
the
you'd have to just
screen.
assume that the business is one share so that the EPS
No, but it
is.
wouldn't matter. Even if it's 1,000 shares, it doesn't matter.
Oh, well, true. It wouldn't matter
It's
actually.
100% of the business. You're buying all of the business.
Yeah,
So
you're
a
buying the
million
whole
shares, a
business.
billion. So
Yeah,
let's
it
do the
doesn't
math.
matter.
So this will be
Yeah, it really doesn't
annual
matter.
revenues.
Mm-hmm.
Oops, can't spell.
Just put rev.
Annual
No,
revenues. So we say ten
1,000.
thousand Jamaica. Oh,
No,
10,000.
1,000
Yeah.
US. No. Yeah.
Oh
Okay.
no, I was saying. Oh no. Let's remember it's annual profit versus it's annual profit.
Profit.
So it's 1,000, and
Mm-hmm.
then let's say
Buy
shares
price.
in a company. So let's do
Oh,
the
okay.
you're saying that the shares example. So say it's 1,000,000 shares.
Okay.
So 1,000,000 shares. I hope we're not losing people. um. So yeah. So the business is making $1,000 profit a year. It has a
Mm-hmm.
million shares.
You should probably write out what PE is.
Hold on. So and then
The buy
I
price.
want to say, yeah, the valuation. I
Mm-hmm.
am saying I'm gonna buy it at $10,000.
Mm-hmm.
So if I work out so PE is price to earnings ratio, and it incorporates things like the price. Makes sense because it says price to earnings. The earnings per share, right? Earnings per share.
Mm-hmm.
So in this example, the price. Well, let's say earnings per share first. So we said $1,000 divided by 1,000,000 shares. That works out to our earnings per share after the more decimal places to cents of cents. Maybe I should do, maybe let's make it easier. Let's do annual profit of 10,000, valuation of 100,000. So the earnings per share is 1 cent. So if I say, so me buying the business, this is the math now. Yeah, I'm trying to say,
So it's
I
just
said
like
10.
So the price per share.
So if I buy the business and I'm saying
so the price would be the price per share.
Yeah. So I'm saying I'm gonna buy it at 10 cents per share. And then price to earnings ratio, that'd be price divided by earnings per share. So see, PE of 10. I know a little maths. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, that's essentially what it's saying. But remember, the key thing is that you're making an assumption that the business is gonna earn the same level of profitability, because so you buy it right now at 10 times earnings, but what if by next year the business is making $30,000 in profit? I mean, you still bought it at 10 times earnings, but then you're making that, or it could go the other way. You could make less money. But yeah, I don't know. I guess I found that interesting. That's what it's. I should have probably known that from before, but hey, we're still learning.
Always other.
Yeah.
Not necessarily.